The iRobot Roomba Combo 405 Plus integrates vacuuming and mopping with a smart AutoWash Dock, aiming for comprehensive, low-maintenance floor care. This all-in-one system helps keep your floors clean daily. Check the link in the description for the best price. It is designed for those seeking convenience in a familiar brand. We evaluate how effectively this robot vacuum and mop handles various cleaning tasks in a real home environment. Having both vacuuming and mopping in a single Roomba can significantly reduce the need for separate cleaning routines. The AutoWash Dock significantly reduces manual work by washing and drying the mop pads, which adds clear quality of life value. The Roomba app makes room selection and scheduling straightforward, which is very practical for mainstream users. While excellent for routine mopping, it's important to remember that robotic mops don't fully replace manual deep scrubbing. The Roomba Combo 405 Plus offers strong daily floor maintenance. Its auto-washing mop system provides versatile cleaning for typical home messes, reducing manual effort significantly. We assess whether the features and brand reputation of this Roomba justify its premium cost compared to other options. The automated mop handling system provides substantial quality of life improvements, making daily cleaning much more effortless for users. Roomba's strong mainstream recognition offers reassurance, which can be particularly beneficial for less technical buyers choosing a smart home device. As a combo robot, it addresses more household cleaning needs than a vacuum-only unit, offering greater versatility for daily use. While a strong contender, the Roomba name doesn't always ensure the absolute best feature per dollar value against its rivals. This Roomba Combo delivers solid convenience and trusted brand value. However, the price point invites comparison with rivals that offer similar advanced features. We highlight key areas where buyers might encounter issues or considerations before making a purchase. Automated docks still require regular attention, including tray cleaning, tank refilling, and sometimes odor management to function optimally. The robot's ability to manage mopping around carpets depends heavily on how effectively it lifts its pads or simply avoids wet contact. Before purchasing, buyers should carefully compare this Roomba against other premium combo robots, especially regarding their full price. iRobot continues to provide strong documentation and app support, ensuring a reliable safety net for buyers if issues arise. While iRobot maintains strong support, buyers should be mindful of the dock's ongoing maintenance needs. Also, comparing options with competing robots is always a smart move. Ultimately, the Roomba Combo 405 Plus is a solid recommendation for those already invested in the iRobot ecosystem or who value brand familiarity. While it delivers convenient combo cleaning and an automated dock, it faces strong competition. Buyers should weigh its premium price against rivals offering similar features.